Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my brothers and sisters in Islam, to all my brothers and sisters in humanity. Hello, and how are you? It's 7th or 17th or 18th night, I don't know, because the clock is ticking and time is passing. So never mind. Tonight's topic will be nature and how we deal with nature. Okay. Just one announcement. Sometimes I'll post night videos, sometimes I'll post day videos, because I saw that there are not really much views on both. So I'll do one day or one night. It depends on my mood. Yeah, right, on my mood. So, okay, we are created on this world, and we have the best abilities and characteristics. So, we humans can use everything what nature gives us: animals, plants, hills, mountains, springs, water, seas, everything, grass, everything, forests, everything. So, and we use it, but we use it a lot. Here's one quote that Indians used to use. Indian kill animal to eat or to get clothes, but white man is killing animal for fun, for profit. So, but we all became white man from this quote, and it's sad to see that there are forests disappearing without putting new seeds so another can rise. Animals torturing, abusing, killing, and you have species that are almost extinct or that are extinct, and it's really sad because God gave us nature and all what nature has, and we abuse it. It was a blessing for us. We abuse it every day, more and more. And do you know what will happen when we cut all trees? Do you know what will happen? Ozone holes will be bigger and bigger, and sun will destroy us basically. But and global warming and everything, everything about, but I think that global warming is connected with Judgment Day because it's a flood and everything, so it'll be. I think that's my opinion. It's not a deed or anything. It's just my opinion. Okay, so we're abusing nature. I saw footages of abusing animals, killing animals just for fur, just for, I don't know, expensive clothes. Why do you do that, man? Can you just make clothes of cotton? Why do you need a fur? I have, yeah, or you use animal skin to make shoes, make everything, blah blah. Why you don't wear sneakers? By the way, you can make shoes from everything what you want, latex or something like that. You can make it, and you can make everything. But no, you abuse animals. Okay, fine. You kill animals for clothes. That's okay. But you don't kill them. You're stripping their skin while they're alive. That's sick, man. I saw the footages. And you don't kill animal properly, to chop their head off or to kill them. No, you use electroshocks to kill them, so your fur don't get to, I don't know, slap you or something. I hate that, man. I really hate that, and I don't like that. I mean, poor animals. But you will be judged for it. You will be judged for it on the judgment day. I'll be judged, but you'll be judged too. I mean, abusing God's blessings. Can you imagine that? No, you can't, because you're still doing it. And cutting trees. Okay, fine, you're cutting trees. We can put the seeds and it will grow. But you're not only cutting trees, you're destroying habitats of many animals. Animals becoming endangered species because of people. You need to have farm, I don't know, somewhere in Africa. And you can't live from hunting and some little farming. No, you need to have 10 farms to feed your greed. Just money, 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 profit, money, money, money. Shaitan's play. Yeah, money. You just want to earn more and more on suffering of nature and animals. And it's sad, man. You'll be judged for it. I mean, destroying their homes and everything. Let me put this like this. What if I come with the Panzer and I go against your house with it, and I just push forward. You're in your house and it's falling apart, How would you feel? That's the same feeling that animals have. You just kill them for fun. Why, man? If you kill them for fun, make them to grow, to be more. So when you kill one, there's 10 new. So the nature can't feel the difference, but no. You do everything to destroy it, just for your fun, just for satisfying your sick desires. And it's not good, it's not nice, it's not good. And you are having big industries, big fabrics and all that, and then there's a poison in the air, and you don't use filters, so it is poisoning us. So you have diseases, sickness, everything, and people are dying. Not just animals, not plants, and people are dying also. Just because of what? Because of profit, money, greed. That's why. And it's sad that nature and people and animals must suffer from it. And yet, if you want to find peace, you go in the mountains, you go on the sea, on the coast, you go in the forest, in the jungle, just to feel peace. Because we are all connected with nature. But some people just don't get it, don't feel nature. But nature doesn't need you need nature. That's the problem. Because okay, you can create some products, but the most of them are from nature, and you don't picture that in your mind. That's the problem. And yet we still have springs, waters, rivers, seas, mountains, forests. It is beauty. It's heaven on earth. But you must destroy it. What do you think? What will you get if you're destroying paradise and heaven? You know what will you get. So That's all for this video. I hope I touched a little. If I didn't, never mind. Okay, so sometimes it will be night footages, sometimes day footages. I just don't want to be boring to you because I see that there's less views. Maybe you're not interested in watching me anymore. Fine, your choice. But I won't quit, that's for sure. Okay, so that was all. Peace on the streets, peace on the Middle East. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Take care. Bye.